Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cat litter boxes for small spaces that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Box. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking for a no-frills, easy-to-use litter box. The standout feature here is the patented lift-to-sift technology, which simplifies cleaning by eliminating the need for scooping. The microban protection is a nice touch, helping to inhibit odor buildup and keep your home smelling fresh. Plus, it's versatile enough to work with pine, crystal, pellet, and clumping litters. Design-wise, it's made with recycled plastic, which is great for eco-conscious buyers. While it's not the most stylish choice, the large dimensions ensure plenty of room for your cat's comfort. The lightweight build makes it easy to move around, but it may feel less durable compared to heavier-duty options. Ideal for small spaces, this litter box is compact but functional, and its simple design makes it a great starter product for first-time cat owners. The main downside is its lack of advanced features like enclosed odor control or portability handles. For $19.95, though, it offers excellent value for the price. If you're on a tight budget and want a reliable, straightforward solution, this Arm & Hammer litter box is worth considering. Just keep in mind that it's best suited for single cat households or those with small to medium-sized cats. At number 4, we have the Litter Genie Cat Litter Box. This innovative and ergonomic litter box is designed to maximize functionality while providing your cat with a comfortable space for privacy. The extra tall walls are a standout feature, helping to prevent litter scatter and keeping your space cleaner. The integrated handles make it easy to transport or empty. And the flexible plastic construction is perfect for small spaces where traditional rigid litter boxes might not fit. The curved base is a thoughtful addition, allowing for seamless cleaning with no hard-to-reach corners. This makes it particularly appealing to busy pet owners who want an easy-to-maintain solution. At $25.66, it's priced competitively for the features it offers. The box's lightweight and adaptable design also make it a great choice for apartments or homes with limited storage space. On the downside, the open-top design means it lacks the odor control features of enclosed models. While its portability and compact build are great, it might not be ideal for larger cats or multi-cat households. Overall, though, the Litter Genie Cat Litter Box is a solid, mid-range option that balances convenience and affordability. Taking the number 3 spot is the Medario Cat Litter Box with litter mat and scoop. This premium foldable litter box offers an enclosed design that prioritizes your cat's privacy while keeping odors and litter mess contained. The one-way entry system ensures that litter stays inside the box, while the top exit with a sand pedal helps reduce tracking on your floors. It's perfect for small spaces, thanks to its collapsible design that allows for easy storage and transport. The pull-out drawer is a game-changer when it comes to cleaning. It makes scooping and replacing litter a breeze. Additionally, the included litter mat and scoop are nice bonuses that enhance the overall usability of the product. The large interior space makes this box suitable for cats of all sizes, and the durable plastic build feels sturdy and long-lasting. Priced at $48.99. It's on the higher end of the spectrum, but the added features and thoughtful design justify the cost. However, the assembly process might be a bit tricky for some users, and it's not as lightweight as other options on this list. This litter box is an excellent choice for those who prioritize convenience, portability, and odor control in a compact, space-saving package. Coming in at number 2 is the Kirikou Stainless Steel Cat Litter Box. This unique product stands out for its durable stainless steel construction, which resists scratches, dents, and odor retention. A huge advantage over traditional plastic models. The high sides are excellent for minimizing litter scatter, and its open-top design is perfect for cats who prefer easy access and an unenclosed space. At $20.99, it's an affordable option with premium build quality. The non-stick surface makes cleaning effortless, ensuring that litter waste slides off easily during cleanup. The smooth rim and rounded edges add comfort for both you and your cat, while the spacious dimensions provide plenty of room for your feline friend to move around. This box is versatile enough for various pets, including rabbits and ferrets, making it a great multi-use product. The main downside is that it lacks any odor control features or enclosed privacy, which might be a deal breaker for some buyers. Additionally, while the stainless steel design is durable, it might feel colder or less appealing to cats accustomed to plastic boxes. However, if durability and easy cleaning are your priorities, the Kirikou stainless steel litter box is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the LifeWit Litter Box Cat with faux plant and scoop. This premium litter box is designed to blend seamlessly into your home, cleverly disguised as a decorative flower pot. It's perfect for those who want a functional, space-saving litter box that doesn't compromise on aesthetics. At $59.99, it's the most expensive option on our list, but its features and design make it worth the investment. The enclosed structure provides excellent odor control, thanks to the activated carbon filter that traps and neutralizes smells. The roomy interior accommodates cats of all sizes, while the low threshold height makes it accessible for kittens and older cats. The faux plant and pebble decorations add a touch of elegance, making this litter box suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, or corners where you want it to blend in. The only potential downside is its price point, which might be out of reach for budget-conscious buyers. However, if you're looking for a high-quality, stylish litter box that combines functionality with design, the LifeWit litter box is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for multi-cat households or anyone who values both utility and aesthetics. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.